and welcome back to another how-to video in my series for XM Cloud. This how-to is on how to create a content item. So we're starting here in the tools dashboard, and we're going to go into this Explorer tool here. It's the first step. Once we get in this left-hand pane, you've got all of your sites. This is one we created in the first video, demo site. So we're going to go into this one. Next, we want to create a page. So you want to click through to home and then this create button here. And we're going to create a page. We're going to call this demo page. And then we just click the tick. Then you can see here in the right-hand pane, we have all the details of the page. And then we have the content here. So this can all obviously be edited. So let me just run through some of them. So you've got tagging up here. And then you've got your page design as well. At the moment, we just have the default. And then your navigation settings as well. So where the page appears in the navigation and what the link style is. And then you've got content as well here. So you can edit the content and also your sitemap settings. And then in the last tab, we have versions. So we want to create a version because we're going to use this for personalization at a later date. So we're going to create a version and we're going to call this demo page 2. And we're going to save that. And then you can see here is our latest version. And then we want to publish both of these pages. So this is the publish button up here. And we're going to smart publish everything. Languages to publish. We've only got one language, it's English, but we're going to say all, and we're going to publish sub items. And then we're going to publish our new page. And that is creating a content item.